Have you ever wondered how an AI goes from knowing a little bit about everything to being a total expert in just one thing? Well, it all comes down to a choice between two huge names in the AI world, PyTorch and Hugging Face. Let's get into it. So, seriously, how does an AI get so incredibly smart about one specific topic? You know, like spotting diseases on an X-ray or diagnosing a problem with your car? It's not magic. It's all about clever tailoring. It all starts with this fundamental choice. On one hand, you've got PyTorch. Think of this as getting a super powerful engine and a box full of parts. You have total control to build a custom AI from the ground up. On the other hand, there's Hugging Face. That's like getting a ready-to-drive car, a pre-built model that already knows how to get around.
And that's why people call Hugging Face the GitHub of machine learning. It really is. It's this massive, open library where developers share literally thousands of these pre-built AI models all ready for you to just download and use.
But here's the catch. That really powerful general-purpose model, our ready-to-drive car, it's often not specialized enough for the job you actually need it to do.
And that's where this idea of fine-tuning comes in. The analogy is perfect. It's like taking a great-looking suit right off the rack and then giving it to a tailor to alter it so it fits you perfectly. You're not making a whole new suit, you're just adjusting the one that's already there to make it a perfect match for your specific need. So why bother tailoring an AI instead of just building a new one from scratch? Well, it saves a ton of time and money, you get way more accurate results, and get this, it works with much, much less data. It's a huge win all around.
But it's not just about being accurate. It's about being helpful and, well, human. So the next question is, how do we teach an AI to understand what we humans actually prefer?
One of the coolest ways is this simple three-step process. First, the AI comes up with a few different answers to a question. Next, a real person looks at those answers and ranks them, from best to worst. And finally, the AI studies that ranking and learns, over time, what a good answer actually looks like to a human.
So after all that, what's the big takeaway here? What's the one thing you really need to remember?
It's this. The most powerful AI we use today isn't just built from nothing. It's tailored for the job. That whole process is how a general, know-it-all model becomes a focused, powerful specialist.
So that brings us to a final question for you. If you could fine-tune an AI to become an expert in literally anything, what skill would you want it to learn next? Let us know what you think.